This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Oh my god. Oh,
San Francisco residents should also be charged with gun enhancements. The guard, Kevin Nishida, protected a TV crew who were reporting on crime in
there's an accident.
Chinatown.
Okay.
Convicted, eligible for sentences of
any more than you can get wet in the word water. And to go on with, our image of ourselves is extremely complete. Would that some got the gifted ears to see ourselves as others see us. We don't.
We'll let the customer work out the bugs. That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, I almost got sideswiped.
You gonna back into me? You gonna back into me?
JJ, back up!
Are you gonna
up, back? JJ, back up! Back up!
I'm gonna let her hit me. There it is.
Don't let her hit you.
There it is.
Don't you let her hit you. You had plenty of room. You had plenty of room to back up.
You backed into me.
What's up?
You backed into me.
Oh,
You didn't have your foot on the brake. It just I honked at you. You still just kind of.
You have to, I mean, there's your distance. I mean, what the heck?
I was stopped.
Fucking not.
I've got a camera if you want to try to argue it.
I mean, that's not my fault.
No, you backed into me.
No, I just...
Your foot was not on the brake. You want? Would you like? If you want to argue about this, we'll call the cops and they can review the video. How about that? If you want to argue about it,
No,
we
I
can
mean,
pull up my video.
I just need to know what's going on because I was just stopped right there and you said, hey,
No,
you're too close to me, man.
I was 5 feet away and you slowly backed up. I started honking at you, and then you backed into me. Just go. The light is green. The light is green. Just go.
Oh, I want to see if there's any damage on my bumper.
Oh, if there's damage on your bumper, it's your fault. I have a video. I have a dash cam that will prove you wrong.
Back up. You should back up. I want to see what's going on.
Sure. There you go.
I can see, man.
How about we get out of this intersection? Idiot.
Grade math. 1. Actually, how big numbers and long distances work. Sharp took a group of soldiers outside.
No, pero sí se grabó.
They actually
They use a numbing spray now. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Sorry for the language.
How many employees? You probably can only do employees. They probably don't do that. Okay, so you're saying there's about 26,000 employees in 35 countries, and you're telling me that you talked to 13 employees, and you're saying that they're feeling this way? You know.
God, that was one glass. I know. Holy crap. Works better than whiskey. It does. God damn. Kill somebody, why don't you mother asshole? He didn't even get off on the exit.
I have skin flakes. Yes, I have. I'm a drug addict. Yes, I have many problems that would associate me with the Irish. But I am converting to both Islam and Judaism in Los Angeles. Tim Mohammed Steincohen. That is my name. I'm a Muslim. I'm a Jew. I am.
Really? And he's still going to cut people off like that?
What the hell? Did you see that?